Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and we are on day 7 of our 10-day total body fat burn challenge. Hopefully you've been enjoying it so far. Today we just have a full body toning workout for you. Sun salutations, 3, 2, 1, go.
We're starting off standing up nice and tall, then we're bringing our arms overhead, really reach for the sky and stretch, then we're bringing our elbows back, hinging from our hips, getting as low as we can, really getting that stretch in the back of our legs, swiping the ground with our arms, rolling back up and repeating. This is a great full body stretch and exercise, and you are gonna thank me by the end of set 3 that we're starting with these.
Knee repeaters, left leg, 3, 2, 1, go.
Get yourself into a lunge position, hinge from your hips. I like to keep my arms extended in front of me. As I am bringing my knee up, I'm pulling backwards with my arms. Just gives me some torque and momentum, really gets me into the rhythm. The goal is we're really focusing on crunching, getting our core nice and tight. We'll do 30 seconds one leg, and then we'll switch 30 seconds the next. I love this exercise. It's intense, but it feels oh so good for you.
Knee repeaters, right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. W's, 3, 2, 1, go.
Start with a slight bend in your knees. Keep your elbows as close to your side as you can, and we're just fully extending. The goal is to really squeeze with your back muscles as you extend. I like to have a little bounce with my step because it really just helps ground me, making sure my core is tight, and also working out those back muscles.
Side leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting from a standing position, we are just alternating between bringing one leg out to the side and then the next. Try to point with the blade of your foot. Try not to twist around. We really want to make sure it's coming from our hip flexor, from our abductor. Really pull. Don't worry about height so much. The goal is we really want to feel the squeeze when your leg is in the raised position. Have fun.
Great job, first set done. Let's jump right into our second set. Grab water if you need to, but we got this. Here we go, starting right now. Sun salutations, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, left leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. W's, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go for day 7 of this full body toning workout. We got this starting right now. Sun salutations, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, left leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. W's, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. Day 7 is done. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. We have 3 days left for this 10-day total body fat burn challenge. Tomorrow, Coach Gabby has an amazing workout for you, so please tune in for that. And without further ado, I will see you later. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.